Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 22, OV 67. मग ते म्हणती थांबा येतो, पुन्हा बाबांची अनुज्ञा घेतो. हो म्हणतात ते क्षणीच परततो, आताच येतो माघारा. But Madhavrao said, "Wait, I will come. I will take Baba's permission again. If he says yes, I will return instantly. I will quickly come back." निघालो होतो तुम्ही परतविले, बाबा म्हणाले बरे झाले. काय आपुले त्यात हरवले, स्वस्थ बसविले मजलागी. I had started to go with you, but you made me go back. Then Baba said, "All right, what have you to lose?" And he made me sit quietly. आता पुनश्च विचार घेतो, हो म्हणताच सत्वर येतो. म्हणतील जैसे तैसे करितो, दास मी तो आज्ञेचा. Now I must consult him again. If he says yes, I will come immediately. I will do exactly as he says. I am only his obedient servant. मग ते जाती बाबा प्रती, म्हणती मिरीकर बोलाविती. तिथळी समजला सवे नेती, आज्ञा मागती आपुली. Then he went to Baba and said that Mirikar was inviting him to go with him to Chitri and is asking your permission. मग ते हासून म्हणती साई, बरे तो नेतो तर तू जाई. नाव हिचे मशीद माई, ब्रीदास काई घालविल. Sai smilingly said, "All right, if he is taking you, you may go. Her name is Masjid Mai. She will never let her reputation suffer." आई ती आई बहु मायाळू, लेकरा लागी अति कनवाळू. परी लेकरेच निघतात वाळू, कैसा सांभाळू करीती. After all, a mother is a mother, very loving and very compassionate towards her children. But if the children turn out untrusting, how can she then take care of them? मग वंदोनी साई पाया, निघाले माधवराव जाया. मिरीकर होते जया ठाया, टांग्यात बैसाया पातले. Then, bowing down at Sai's feet, Madhavrao set out and went where Mirikar was waiting to sit in the tonga. उभयता ते चिथळीस गेले, तपासाती हुजूरवाले. येणार परी नाही आले, मग ते बैसले निवांत. Both of them went to Chitri and on enquiry found out that some higher officials who were to come had not yet come, so they waited quietly. मारुतीचे देवालयी उतरण्याची होती सोयी, उभयताही मग ते ठाई, प्रयाण लवलाही केले की. There was a place to stay at the Maruti temple. Therefore, both of them immediately proceeded to that place. एक प्रहर झाली निशी, टाकूनी सतरंजी बिछाना उशी. बत्तीचिया उजेडापाशी, वार्ता पुसीत बैसले. The night advanced and it was about 10 o'clock. Spreading out their cotton carpets, beddings and pillows, they sat chatting in the light of the lamp. वृत्तपत्र होते तेथ, उघडून मिरीकर वाचू लागत. नवल विशेषी लोधले चित्त, तो नवल विचित्र वर्तले. There was a newspaper lying about. Mirikar opened it and started to read. He got absorbed in a certain piece of news. Then a strange thing occurred.